Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about how to use the Azure Communication Service to make a phone call, which is over the PSTN. When I say PSTN, it's the actual phone number that we have, like mobile number or landline number, right? There are other features also available, like you can do a SMS, you can make a video call, voice over IP call, web call, and chat also, right? So those things we will cover one by one. Not sure about the SMS because in ACS side, the number which we have purchased required some regulatory documents which I have submitted, right? It's in the submitted status and they ask for many details from the US side. I don't have those. So I just mentioned that I am a YouTuber and trying to create a tutorial. If they approve, that's okay. Otherwise, for SMS at the end, once they reject or whatever the response they will give, I will just give the information how to get the details, from where to get the details, and accordingly I will show that one. Okay. Anyway, so for PSTN call, so first of all, what we will do is we will go to this sample applications. Okay, over here they have given bunch of examples, right? And what we will do is we will go to the GitHub, and over here they are using the voice calling that I will also show in upcoming videos. Right now we will concentrate on the phone callings, right? So they have given the code and HTML file, which is pretty much easy, nothing complicated over there. So I will just go down, and what I did is I downloaded the or clone the GitHub, right? So you can clone the GitHub using command like git clone and then give uh, this command, this one, right? So the command is something like I'll just show you the demo. Oh, 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 oh. Something like this: git clone, and then the URL which we copied, it will come over here. Okay, anyway, so what we are going to do today is we will concentrate on the phone. I have already tried and tested what thing works, what doesn't work. Okay, so what I will do is I will uh, open my notepad where I have written what are the commands. I have posted these details into the uh, what do you say, description section in the YouTube video, right? So let me go back and click phone number. Okay, so over here they have given some instruction how to build, what are the changes we have to do. So first of all, we will do that in the client.js. Okay, so let's go to the client.js and open it. Okay, so for a few details they are asking. First, they are asking for the access token over here, right? So from where to get the access token, right? We will go to the our Azure Communication Services. You will see in the settings, identities and user access token. So we required for, not required for this one. So we will generate one. So this token is valid for 1 day, right? So in the code also they have mentioned, if you scroll up, right, access token quick start. So via code also you can generate the token which is valid for 1 day. But for now I'm just directly copying over here, and I will go back and modify this text. Okay. And in the below they are asking for the phone number which we have, right? So for the phone number, you can go to the phone numbers over here, and you can copy the phone number which will come over here. So this phone number I have already copied and pasted over here, right? And nothing else you have to do in the client.js, right? So these are the changes from client.js perspective. I will close this file. Now what they are saying is we have to install all this. So I will do Control C. I will go over here and run this command. So it will take few times. Till that time I will pause my video. Okay, so all three command has been executed. Now what we have to do in the HTML side, so if I go back to over here, there is this file index.html which we will see as a UI. What we have to do is not here, open in notepad. Okay, so over here what we have to change is something like over here the script name has to be the same as client.js, right? So that we will mention. So something else is given. What else was given? Let me find out that one. So if I go over here and click index.html, it was earlier bundle.js. Okay, so basically what happening is the command they have given over here, right? This doesn't work. Although I tried to fix it with my code. So the difference was something like output was not recognized by this particular module, right? NPX module. So the correct was output path, and then also debug is not supported. So I change it to analyze, but till then it doesn't build. So that's why I move to other uh, instruction to deploy or build. Okay. Anyway, coming back to the HTML. So let me go back to my HTML over here. I open it right over here. So what I did, I added client.js over here, and also added this type equal to module. Okay, so these are the only change that you have to do. I've listed out that change over here, or let me do like this. I will put this whole script over there so that you don't have to modify line number 26. This instruction is line 26 replace with, so that you can directly copy paste from the description side. Okay. Now the next command is npx parcel index.html, so that we will execute over here. Okay. So once what it will do, it will build the application. Okay, and then run on port number, I think 1234 or something like that. Okay, so till the time it don't show again, till the time, oh, it is done. Okay, so let me open this one. Oh, it's still doing the button build. Doing the build is done. It took 7.74 second, and let me open. So what we will see over here is chat quick start. Sorry, I did I do something wrong? Just a second. So I found the issue. What was happening is since I tested the other apps also, right? Other folders related to the Azure Communication Services for the chat, and what it does is the parcel keep the in the memory, right? The last one which was executed. So that parcel folder which gets created over here, somewhere over here, like this one, I deleted that folder and executed it again. Similarly, if you get the error, something like error expected content, blah, blah, blah. So you just have to delete that folder. Okay. Now what we will do is we will call a phone number, right? So let me give my phone number over here, 919765496594. 9765496594. Okay. Now what I will do also, I will bring my phone over here. You can see, and I will make a call. And let's see if I receive the call or not. So what it will do is from the browser, I will be calling to my phone number. Uh, this pop-ups. So I can hear a beep if you can hear why I'm getting 919765. Okay, I got it. Now you can see that it started ringing and I received the call over here. Now if I receive the call, so let's say I receive the call. Okay, I will put it into the speaker. You can hear the echo, I think. I will put in the mute so that echo stops. So this is how we are connecting over here from. Uh, Let me disconnect just. So from the browser, now I'm calling to my mobile. Okay. So this is, yeah, this is how we can use Azure Communication Service to make a PSTN or a call to a particular phone number. Okay, and it can be any call based on the uh, costing and all those things available from your number purchased in the ACS. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.